Hey guys, how are you doing? This is TP Wars again after a long time. This is going to be a quick video because I'm shooting this from my iPhone and not usually the apparatus that I shoot my videos with. However, this is going to be one information that I would like to share with you, and it's that whether the brand Ultimate Nutrition is cheating us with its Pro Star way. Keep watching. So guys, while I'm working on my 21-day video challenge, this is my home gym where I was supposed to give you the 21-day challenge video. However, due to the lockdowns and several other factors this year, the video has not come out yet. That's because my laptop where I used to edit the videos has crashed and I cannot go to the service centers to get it repaired. However, what I can do is in this short video, I'd like you to tell what is happening right now. As you can see, I ordered this Ultimate Nutrition Pro Star 100% Whey from Healthcart. It's been about a week that this is being delivered, and while the first thing that usually I do when I get a supplement or particularly a whey protein is check for its authenticity. So there was a scratch code. If you can see from the video here, so I scratched this code and checked for the authenticity from the importer. The importer is Sri Balaji Overseas, and there's a third-party application called nofakes.com. Although it did authenticate, but it had no information on what the product was, what the company was. It just said that it seems to be genuine. So I did a little research on the nutritional information, particularly label here. I wasn't sure that Ultimate Nutrition uses this label because whatever I've seen in the past is there's usually a nutritional facts that is written on the label. Plus, you see these percentage values, they're all blank. This is usually not the case. So I went a little further, and if you can see, I don't know if it is focusing, but it has certain spelling errors, not 1 2 3 but multiple spelling errors. Like the spelling of averages is wrong, the spelling of sweetener is wrong. If you can pause the video and search for it, if it is focusing, you'll get to know about it. So I was pretty convinced that this is not an authentic product, so I mailed Healthcart about it. And they kept on repeating, we only deal with 100% genuine authentic products. And Sri Balaji Overseas, by the way, is the registered importer for this brand. So I wasn't really sure that how can this be a fake product. But what I come to realize later on is when I also mailed Sri Balaji Overseas, and they specifically said that this is a genuine product, and they again gave me a screenshot of nofakes.com. I'll see if I can link those screenshots and these mail screenshots here in the video. But what happened is I was still not very convinced because they said that the product name was GMC, which is not the case. It's neither the brand name nor the product name. I'm not sure what GMC stands for here. But again, I wasn't convinced, and Healthcart told me that if you're not convinced, you can mail Ultimate Nutrition, the brand. So I mailed them and they asked for the lot number, which is usually, I'm not sure if you can see this, there's a yellow lot number here. Let me try to focus. Okay, never mind. So there is a lot number here, and I mailed them the lot number, and they said that the product is genuine. But the question still arises that a company called a company so reputed as Ultimate Nutrition will have this, spelling errors like these throughout the label, and even the label is wrong. Seems pretty childish to me. So I did a little research on Ultimate Nutrition, the brand. It was opened in 1979 and it got bankrupt. It went bankrupt in August 2019. This is, by the way, the patch here is from August 2019, and the products that we are still getting are the products which are already into the supply chain, and once those products get over, they will not be any more products which will be seen in the market, because they are not manufacturing anymore. Now the question is, if Healthcart is saying that this product is genuine, if Ultimate Nutrition is saying that this product is genuine, and the importer itself is saying this product is genuine, but they still don't have the registered product name with wrong labels and spelling errors on the box itself, that begs the question, is Ultimate Nutrition cheating us, or are they knowingly getting fake products in the market, and Ultimate Nutrition in on it? The entire chain of the distributors, the resellers, are they in on it? If not, because this is a pretty solid scenario where the company goes bankrupt and they know they won't be producing anymore, but they know one thing for sure, that the brand is still a good brand, it has a good name in the market, and this will still sell. Many of the people here, which are casual gym goers, don't know that the company has gone bankrupt. First of all, like the quality of the labels and the spelling errors, it can be true. I'm not saying that they cannot make errors, but it seems very unlikely that a brand like this will have errors, spelling errors specifically, not one but many spelling errors on the label, plus the label is also not correct. So you tell me guys, what do you think? Like, are Ultimate Nutrition and the distributors and the importers all cheating us regarding this brand? I don't know yet, but if I'm doing a little more research, and if I come to know, I'll definitely make sure to upload a second part on it. So you can see I haven't yet opened this, because I am no mood to consume fake products until unless I'm sure of the authenticity. So Healthcart, if you are seeing this, you are already saying that this is 100% genuine product, but how is it 100% genuine? Because nothing on the label suggests so. Although I know Ultimate Nutrition, the brand itself, says that it is a genuine product, but if so, Ultimate Nutrition, that doesn't go very well on your part, because these kind of errors, the quality errors on the label, if you cannot ensure the quality of your labels, which are particularly an easy thing to handle, how can you assure us that the quality of the whey protein is good? Done.